This video we're going to show you how to create a new document in Adobe Photoshop. First step is to launch the program on your screen. Then you're going to see a window looks like this. Move your cursor to the middle, touch Create New button. Then you're going to see a new documents window pop up on the screen. For our practice in class, we're going to choose letter size, which is 8.5 width inches. The height is 11 inches. Resolution 300 pixels per inches. Our color mode we use RGB color. Background you can use white or transparency. Once everything's finished, then you're going to move your cursor to the lower right corner, press Create button. Then you're going to see a blank new file appeared on the screen.